Hey everyone, I'm Emily Frame. Welcome back to my OFTV channel. Last time we completed the rear section with arches instead of the front seats and built the engine. The Porsche 911 is already starting to look like a real car. Today we're working on the front section, front suspension, steering wheel, front bumper, plus the doors and windshield. This will give a model complete front end look. Here we go, back number 5 and small back number 5. All the pieces are high quality and fit together perfectly. Every part snaps into place without any issues. Back number 6 contains the windshield and doors. There we'll make the front section, finish it and highly detail it. First, we tackle the front suspension, Lego nail it, the mechanical precision. Each piece fits perfectly. Next, we attach the steering wheel, small but detailed, just like the real Porsche. With the front suspension and the steering wheel in place, the chassis is fully stable and ready for the next steps. Now we install the front bumper and add small details up front. Vents, trims and the panels. Even without the final decorative touches, the front selection already looks impressive. Next, we mount the windshield and doors. They give a front section a complete and highly detailed appearance. With the front suspension, steering wheel, bumper, doors and windshield in place, the chassis is fully ready for the next stage of the build. And that's it for episode 3. Front suspension, steering wheel, front bumper, doors and windshield are all done. In the next episode, we'll fully finish the car. We'll assemble the rear suspension, add the wheels, fit the roof and install the front headlights. I have a big question. Will we build the turbo version or stick with the Targa? I still undecided, so it will be fun to see what we choose. Make sure you're subscribed for my OFTV channel and check out my OnlyFans page. Bye!